Hello, this is Miss Jessica, and today we're not going to be doing a drawing. I know, isn't that weird? Not today. No, we're not doing that today. Today we're doing something completely different. We're doing something that is completely unseen on Painted Kids. We're getting out of the rut. We're getting out of the mundane. We've been stuck in quarantine too long, so we're gonna do something fun today. And today we're gonna be doing something fun. Yeah, fun. I already said that. Don't know why I said it twice, but I did. I said it twice. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go on my Instagram. Yes, kids, I have an Instagram. Believe it or not, I can relate to the young folk. Don't know why I have this accent now, but I guess I do. But I can relate to the young folk. So I'm gonna go on there, I'm gonna find the Disney filter, and then the filter will tell me what Disney character I am. What are the qualities, the traits, the physical attributes that I possess for the Disney character. And we'll see if they're accurate. They probably won't be because they never are. And then I'm going to take whatever Instagram's character they suggest for me and turn it into a piece of art, a piece of artwork. Add some flash, flare, finesse that just says everything about this Disney character, not just their looks. I'm not looking to make a piece of artwork that looks exactly like the character. That's not what I'm here for. I'm not about that. We're gonna do something that is just fun and resonates this character. So when you look at it, you can look at all the qualities of it and be like, oh, it's that character. Because I don't want to copy anybody. I don't want it to be Disney style or anything like that. I just want to use it as a jumping off point, as inspiration for my own unique piece of artwork. So not sure how many days this will take, but we'll just mark this as day one and we'll see what we can do. So I'm gonna head over onto my Instagram like a boss and we're gonna see what Disney character I am. Oh, am I? Challenge accepted. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to make a mood board. So what that means is I'm going to go online here and I'm going to pick out everything that I think is all about Lilo. So I'm going to go through, and because I did get Lilo, I'm not going to make this piece specifically about Stitch, but Stitch will definitely be there. He'll definitely be included in all of this. So I'm going to just kind of go on Google and Pinterest and get on my computer, and we're going to look up some images. And then I'm going to take all these images and I'm going to put them in one spot. So I have Photoshop, so I just drag and drop them and organize them, and there's my mood board. So with my mood board, we're going to sketch. So sketch. She doesn't look like Lilo. She looks kind of like me. We don't want that. We want a Lilo. That's better. That looks like a Lilo. She's a little older, but she looks kind of like Lilo. We add some beautiful colors. Now we need to add some shadow. Cheekbones. Alright guys, we're on day 2 of our Lilo picture, and I'm really excited for today because today it is time for the makeups. Super excited. We have started on the makeups. We got a little blush, a little bit of lipstick, and now for highlight. Beautiful. Awesome. And I put this little background in just to see what kind of colors I like. Okay, next we need ocean. That's better. Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Okay. We have the ocean, but now we need something that belongs in the ocean. Guess what, everyone? It's sandwich day. Just look how cute he is. He's so cute with his peanut butter sandwich. So cute. Okay, now we need to add some flair. Yes, scrub. Scrum, scruff, scrum, scrum. Let's with the P. Scrump. Not scrump. 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 Funny word, scrump. Okay, Lilo needs some of this red, some of her younger self and her older self. Let's add a necklace. And she can't go anywhere without her camera. Very nice. Look at all her accessories. She looks so edgy. Look at that. I even put a little painting of the island on there. It's so super small. I couldn't do anything else. Just a little painting of the island. Okay, now I put the background back in and I changed the colors a little bit. But now we need outer space. Stitch comes from outer space, so we need planets, stars, moons. Change the color. There we go. Now we need to add someone else. Lilo's best friend. Can you see him? You know what? We're gonna add him again. There he is. He looks so good. Now let's add a little bit more to the background. Clouds, yes, clouds and stars, so twinkly. All right, now let's add some glitter. Yes, queen. And there's my Lilo. She looks so good. I love it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. This video was super fun to film, and I actually really had a blast. It was fun to get a little bit more in front of the camera than I usually do, and to just, I don't know, goof around with you guys. You know, I feel like you know, we're always in this like teacher position, like, oh, I need to teach you something. But you know what? I'm also, just like you guys, I'm an artist and I'm continuing to learn every single day. And with that, I like to do projects. I like to keep myself busy. I like to constantly, you know, challenge myself. And this was a really fun challenge, and I'm glad I got to do it with you guys. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if this video gets enough likes, then, you know, it'd be really fun to do this kind of a video again. And before you guys go, don't forget to boop that subscribe button. Just boop it. Just boop. Right there. It's right there. Just boop. And I hope to see you guys next time. I gotta get out of this. Who are you? You're a villain.